So today I want to restore my headlights. When I say restore, they're actually not that bad, but it's a job that's been on the list for ages. And I thought, right, let's just crack on with it and see if I can make them look a bit better. They started to yellow. So I've used a polishing machine, a DA as they call it, and some polish. There's various ways you can do it, but I'll show you how I did it, and then you can choose whatever way you want to do it. It's not a how-to, this is how I did it. Have a look. Don't know if you can see it, don't know if it's coming out on the camera. We've got quite a lot of discolouring, quite a lot of scratches all over the lens, and a similar but not so bad on the other side. So something's got to be done about it. So what I'm hoping to do is to polish them out today, and I'll show you what I'm going to use to do it. So basically, I've masked off the headlight around where the bumpers are, so I don't want to get any polishing out on the bumpers, on the black bumpers. So mask off anything you don't want to start polishing or scratching. There's a number of ways of doing this. I'm decided to use a DA polisher, so as long as you keep it moving it should be alright. I've got a 3-inch pad on it, and I'm going to be using a one-step compound by Shoal Concepts. Hopefully that should do the trick. I mean, you can use other polishers, you can buy kits, but more about that later. Let's crack on with this and see how we get on. So that's come up quite well. I'm quite happy with that. It's got some scratches on it. There's a bit of mist in there, but that's not yellowing of the lens, that's on the inside. So there's nothing I can do about that, but overall it's come up a lot cleaner, a lot clearer than it was. So I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some protection on there. This is Auto Glim Extra Gloss Protection. It's a protective sealant, and that should stop it going yellow again for quite some time. I use this on the van as well because it lasts for a long time. So you just put a bit on an applicator pad like that, and you literally just rub it all over like that. See, it's all clear. It gives a really nice protection, goes quite hard on there. So you rub it all over like this, and that will dry to a haze. You leave it about 20 minutes, it'll dry to a haze, and then you buff it off. Just put a bit on the outside. It's been about 30 minutes now, that's what it said on the instructions, so give it 30 minutes. And time to buff this clear coat off, clear protector. And let's see how it comes up. It seems much better than it was. It's not perfect because I've not done a full restoration on it. But this is handy if you just wanted to go for an MOT and wanted it to look a bit more presentable. It's fine, but with a lot of work you could bring it back to new condition. There we go. That is nice. Let's have a look. There we go. Now I'm quite happy with that. Got some scratches here, like I say, some misting on there which is on the inside, but I'm quite happy with that. Yeah, take that all day long. So let's hope you enjoyed that. I sort of did. Yeah, so I used the DA polisher, I used the multi-purpose compound, if you like. I mean, if you're going to use a polisher and your headlamps are quite bad, then you probably want to use a dedicated cutting compound and a polish. There's lots of other ways of doing it, like I said before. You know, sanding it with various grits of sandpaper. There's kits you can buy. I think Maguire's do one where you put the sanding disc on the end of your drill and you basically sand it right the way over with gradually finer and finer grits of paper. So you probably start off with something like an 800, then go to like 1000, 1200, 1500, that sort of thing, until you get rid of all the scratches. And that's what I'm going to have to do. I just wanted to get rid of some of that yellowing today, but because I've got quite a few scratches on there, that multi-purpose compound that I've got is not going to do that. So I'm going to have to go down the sanding route. There's loads of videos on there about that. I just wanted to show you what sort of result I'd get in 10 minutes using the DA on it, just to get rid of some of that yellowing. And it's turned out, as you can see, really nice. And I put a sort of protector coat over the top. So that'll stay okay now until I get round to doing it properly, where I shall remove all of the scratches, any other little bits of yellowing, although there's not much left. And then they'll be as good as new. They really will come up as good as new. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. It's only a short one, and I hope you found some use with the information, or not. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Please like, please subscribe if you can, really helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for now. Bye.